Hi guys, let's try this. Somebody asked for a limits problem, so we're gonna try a limits problem. We see this thing. It's of course we know this is equal to 2 times the limit, so we could take 2 out. 2 times the limit of x to the 3 minus 64 over square root of x minus 2. You see it's a difference of cubes, so uh, what does that mean? X cubed minus 64. Well, of course, 4 is an answer, so we could take out 4. So it's x minus 4. X minus 4 times something will equal um, x cubed and negative 64. So it's going to be x squared and so negative 4x squared. And here it's going to be 16, which is 16x. So we need this to be negative 16, so we have negative 16x, right? We want to get rid of both x squared and x. So, here we have negative 16x and negative 16x, right? These two need to cancel out and these two need to cancel out. Well, that's not going to happen. Because here we're going to get plus 64x squared, which is, we can't have that. But x is a solution. Well, if I try to... Let's do long division. Multiply by x squared. We get x squared minus 4x. No, sorry. Minus x cubed minus 64x squared would be plus. So then we're left with negative 64 plus 64x squared. Then we times 64. X. No, I did that wrong again. Here it's plus 4x squared. So now we are left with 4x squared minus 64x minus 64. Holy cow. Now we have 4x squared, which is minus 4x squared plus 16x. So now we're left with 16x minus 64, and then it's just going to be times 16. So minus 16x plus 64, 0. Okay, so we have x squared minus x squared minus 4x, so plus 4x, and then it's plus 16x, or plus 16. Right, because then we have x cubed, yeah, that all makes sense. Okay, cool. So now we're left with on the top x minus 4, and then x squared plus 4x plus 16. And this can't be factored. This won't be factored. So then if we do 2 times the limit as x goes to 4. So we need to cancel out this term and this term. So why don't we try to get rid of the square root and multiply by the reciprocal. So if we do or multiply by the conjugate. So if we do x cubed minus 64, or sorry, if we multiply this entire thing, which is x minus 4 times x squared minus, or plus 4x plus 16 over x minus 2, square root of x times 2, we need to multiply by x plus 2 and square root of x plus 2. So now we got square root of x plus 2 times x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x plus 16 over difference of two squares. We have x minus 4. These two cancel out. And now we're left with 2 times limit as x goes to 2 of root x plus 2 times x squared plus 4x plus 16. And now x goes to 4, sorry. Plugging 4 in here, we have 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 16 plus 16, which is 2 times 4 times 34, which is 4 times 68, which is equal to, excuse me, 274, which is, let me check. So we take 2 out, difference of squares. We get this, which makes sense, and then we have this on the denominator, yeah. Multiply by this and this, 'Wait, I'm gonna pause my screen because I have the answer on my computer. So I'll be back to check. I understand. Yeah, it's incorrect. This is 2 squared, which is 4, which makes this 36, which makes this 72, which makes this 4 times 72 is 280, 288. I don't think that's still not the correct answer. Yeah, because I'm slow again. This is, jeez. By the way, when I cut out, I'm switching to another screen. This is 16. Like, jeez, how did I mess it up that many times? 48, which is F92, which this makes this 372. Right. Wait. 4 times 300, 366? What am I doing? 4 times 48 times 2. 48 times 2 is 96. Right. So that times 4 is 376. Jeez. So I did get it incorrect. Incorrect. But this is the correct answer. So I got it. No, and then I got it correct. Just because I messed up simple algebra. But I did everything else correctly. Ish. So I did get a no, but it did go to a correct. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.